Easy step-by-step skull makeup using Mehron's skeleton kit. Starting off by taking the white cream with a sponge all over the face. Taking the Colorset Powder on a puff to press into the skin to mattify the cream. And now taking a small brush and the black cream to map out our eye, nose, and cheekbone shapes onto the skin. Once you feel happy with your overall shapes, simply take the other edge of the sponge and slowly pounce onto the skin to create a nice gradient into the white. Next up, take the black kohl pencil and begin to sketch some teeth around the mouth. Take your time to sketch each tooth and to ensure that the teeth are spaced evenly along the lip line. Add a second layer of the black kohl pencil for dimension and depth, and take the white cream with a small brush to brighten. Add a final layer of powder to lock in all of your details, and your spooky skull makeup is now complete.